Imagine a place untouched by time, a place where prehistoric creatures roam freely, a place shrouded in mist and legend. This is Mount Roraima, a testament to nature's power and beauty. This awe-inspiring plateau, rising from the rainforest like a giant's table, has captivated explorers, scientists, and dreamers for centuries. What secrets lie hidden beneath its cloud-covered summit? What strange and wonderful life forms have evolved in isolation on its tabletop surface? Join me as we journey to this incredible destination, uncovering the mysteries of Mount Roraima. Mount Roraima is a tepui, a unique type of tabletop mountain found in the Guyana highlands of South America. These ancient geological formations are some of the oldest on Earth, dating back to the Precambrian era, over 2 billion years ago. It sits at the junction of Venezuela, Brazil, and Guyana, a majestic landmark visible for miles. This tri-border point makes Mount Roraima a significant geographical and cultural symbol for the indigenous people of the region. The plateau spans an area of 31 square kilometers, its sheer cliffs rising dramatically from the rainforest floor. These cliffs are not just visually stunning, but also serve as natural barriers, creating isolated ecosystems on the summit. These cliffs, sculpted by centuries of erosion, reach heights of over 400 meters. The relentless forces of wind and water have carved intricate patterns into the rock, making each face of the mountain unique. Waterfalls cascade from the summit, nourishing the rainforest below. These waterfalls are not only a source of life for the flora and fauna, but also create a mesmerizing spectacle for visitors. The summit itself is a surreal landscape of rock formations, pools of crystal-clear water, and unique plant life. The flora here includes species found nowhere else on Earth, adapted to the harsh conditions of the plateau. It is a place unlike any other on Earth. The combination of its geological history, unique ecosystems, and breathtaking beauty makes Mount Roraima a natural wonder that continues to captivate scientists and adventurers alike. For centuries, Mount Roraima was known only to the indigenous communities living in its shadow. To them, it was a sacred place, a mountain of myths and legends. The first recorded European to sight Mount Roraima was Sir Walter Raleigh in 1595. However, it was not until 1884 that the summit was reached. British explorers Everard Thurn and Harry Perkins scaled the plateau's vertical walls, opening up a world previously unseen by Western eyes. Their descriptions of the summit's unique landscape and flora sparked widespread fascination. For the indigenous Pemon people, Mount Roraima is not simply a mountain, it is the sacred stump of a mighty tree that once held all the fruits and vegetables in the world. The Pemon believed that their ancestors climbed to the summit using a long vine, which was later cut down by an evil trickster. Their folklore is filled with stories of the mountain's magical properties and mythical creatures that inhabit its summit. These stories, passed down through generations, highlight the deep spiritual connection between the Pemon people and this awe-inspiring natural wonder. Section 5, A World Apart, Unique Flora of the Summit. Isolated for millions of years, the summit of Mount Roraima has evolved its own unique ecosystem. Over 1/3 of the plant species found here exist nowhere else on Earth. Harsh conditions, including high altitude, acidic soil, and constant rainfall, have led to remarkable adaptations. Carnivorous plants, such as pitcher plants and sundews, thrive in the nutrient-poor soil, trapping insects to supplement their diet. Orchids, bromeliads, and ferns cling to the rocky surfaces, adding splashes of color to the landscape. These botanical wonders are a testament to the resilience and adaptability of life. Section 6, Strange Creatures, Endemic Fauna of Roraima. Mount Roraima, a majestic tabletop mountain located at the border of Venezuela, Brazil, and Guyana, is a world unto itself. Its unique ecosystem harbors a plethora of fascinating creatures that have evolved in isolation for millions of years. The animal life on Mount Roraima is just as unique as its flora. The plateau's isolation has led to the evolution of species that are found nowhere else on Earth, making it a hotspot for biodiversity and a living laboratory for scientists. Many species found here are endemic, meaning they exist nowhere else. This endemism is a result of the mountain's ancient origins and its separation from the surrounding lowlands, creating a unique environment where species have adapted in remarkable ways. The harsh conditions have favored creatures that can withstand the cold, wet environment and scarcity of food sources. The frequent rains and mist, combined with nutrient-poor soils, have shaped a resilient and specialized fauna. The Roraima bush toad, a small, vibrantly colored amphibian, is a prime example. This toad has developed unique adaptations to survive in this challenging habitat. This toad, found only on the summit, has adapted to the lack of standing water by breeding in the moist moss and leaf litter. Its life cycle is intricately tied to the microhabitats provided by the summit's unique vegetation. Other endemic creatures that call this mountain home include the Roraima black frog, the Roraima mouse, and a variety of insects and birds. Each of these species has evolved distinct traits to thrive in the isolated and often harsh conditions of Mount Roraima, contributing to the mountain's rich tapestry of life. Section 7. The Lost World Found, Conan Doyle's inspiration. In 1911, Sir Arthur Conan Doyle published his now famous novel, The Lost World. The book, a thrilling tale of prehistoric creatures discovered on a remote South American plateau, was inspired by the accounts of Imthurn and Perkins' expedition to Mount Roraima. While no dinosaurs have ever been found on Mount Roraima, the novel captured the imaginations of readers worldwide and cemented the mountain's reputation as a place of mystery and adventure. The book's enduring popularity continues to draw adventurers and explorers to the region, eager to experience the lost world for themselves. Section 8. Roraima on screen, the mountain in popular culture. Mount Roraima's unique landscape and air of mystery have made it a popular setting for film and television. The 1990 film adaptation of The Lost World featured stunning visuals inspired by the mountain's real-life counterpart. More recently, the Pixar animated film Up featured a fictionalized version of Mount Roraima called Paradise Falls. The film's breathtaking animation and heartwarming story introduced a new generation to the beauty and wonder of this natural wonder. Section 9. The Allure of the Unknown, Tourism and Conservation. Today, Mount Roraima is a popular destination for hikers and adventurers seeking a unique and challenging experience. Guided treks to the summit offer visitors the opportunity to witness its breathtaking views, observe its unique flora and fauna, and experience the magic of this ancient landscape. However, with increased tourism comes a responsibility to protect this fragile ecosystem. Sustainable tourism practices are essential to ensure that future generations can continue to marvel at the wonders of Mount Roraima. Section 10. Preserving Paradise, Challenges and Responsibilities. Preserving the delicate balance of Mount Roraima's ecosystem is a significant challenge. The impact of tourism, climate change and potential mining activities all pose threats to this unique environment. International cooperation between Venezuela, Brazil and Guyana is crucial to ensure its protection. Educating visitors about the importance of responsible tourism, enforcing strict regulations, and conducting ongoing research are vital steps in safeguarding this natural treasure for future generations. Section 11. An enduring mystery, the future of Mount Roraima. Mount Roraima, with its ancient origins and unique ecosystem, remains a place of mystery and wonder. This flat-topped mountain, often shrouded in mist, has inspired countless legends and stories over the centuries. Despite centuries of exploration, it continues to hold secrets waiting to be unlocked. The mountain's unique geological formations and isolated environment have created a haven for rare and endemic species. As scientists delve deeper into its mysteries, we can expect to uncover even more fascinating details about this remarkable place. From undiscovered plant species to ancient rock carvings, Mount Roraima is a treasure trove of natural and historical wonders. The future of Mount Roraima depends on our collective commitment to its preservation. Conservation efforts are crucial to maintaining the delicate balance of its ecosystem and ensuring that its beauty remains unspoiled for future generations. By working together, we can ensure that this natural wonder continues to inspire and amaze generations to come. Sustainable tourism practices and responsible exploration are key to protecting Mount Roraima's pristine environment. Let us protect this lost world not just for its beauty, but for the invaluable lessons it can teach us about our planet and the importance of conservation. The story of Mount Roraima is a reminder of the wonders that still exist in our world and the responsibility we have to safeguard them.